Are you tired of struggling to make smart investments? These AI tools are about to change your life. First up, AI-powered investing platforms. Forget guessing games. These platforms use advanced algorithms to analyze the market and predict trends. Imagine having a robo-advisor making smarter investment decisions for you. With just a bit of upfront learning, AI handles real-time analysis and trend predictions. Some investors are pulling in $30,000 to $100,000 a year. Next, let's talk crypto. AI bots can predict cryptocurrency price swings and automate trades. High-frequency trading just got a major upgrade, with pro traders making $50,000 to $250,000 plus annually. Tool number 2, AI copywriting tools. Need sales copy, emails, or ads in seconds. These AI tools generate persuasive content that converts. Freelance copywriters using Jasper or Copy.ai can manage multiple clients, earning up to $80,000 a year. Or offer AI-assisted copywriting to small businesses and potentially rake in $150,000 plus annually. Stay tuned for more tools to supercharge your financial future.